Don't order takeout food. Don't burn your money. Save your money and do this instead.
Today we are making a 3-course meal in one pot and no cleaning the pot in between.
It requires 3 main ingredients.
My name is BethBacod. Thank you for watching and welcome back. I've taken off the sharp tips of the prawns.
Oh my goodness, look at those eyes.
The first main ingredient would be the prawns. This would be a third of what's left from a tray of prawns I bought at Costco for $15.
So I guess we can say that these prawns are worth $5?
Yes, these prawns cost us $5. I placed the prawns on a towel, clean white towel, so I can dry them up using the towel.
Oh, but why?
It's really important to dry them up so the seasonings would stick. I started with some powdered garlic and now some black pepper. Then I have to flip them over.
And do the same thing? I'm gonna turn on some music.
Now for the wet ingredients. Half a lemon, squeezed all over, some sriracha to taste, however hot you want, put as much as you want, some oyster sauce also to taste, and finally some honey.
Then combine all the prawns with the wet ingredients, right?
Put the prawns in a plastic bag.
All of them? But why? Why are we putting them in a bag?
Yep, all of them. Every single drop of the seasoning has to go in that bag. Then tie it at the top and...
Let me guess. And marinate it? But for how long?
At least an hour, up to a day would do. The longer, the tastier. Then get the pan and don't even heat the pan because we're trying to avoid all that sizzling. Less sizzling, less cleaning up. After I fried both sides, I put a little bit oil. Vegetable oil is what I used, but you can also use sesame seed oil. At this point, you're done with the sriracha honey stir-fried shrimp. And you can cook the fried rice separately, but I'm cooking them all together in one pot. I really like how the fried rice soaks up all that sweet, spicy, tasty shrimp flavor.
Drizzle some soy sauce and stir some more.
Put this in a plate and let's get to our stir-fried vegetables. Put the veggie leaves in a cold pan. Turn on the stove and keep stirring the vegetables until it is completely wilted.
Oh, you mean we're not putting anything in the pan? No oil, no seasoning, nothing? Just vegetables?
Yes, after the vegetables are wilted, taking them out of the pan. Now put a little bit of sesame oil in the pan and saute the garlic and the ginger. Saute them until they're soft and brown in color.
Wow, you're right. This is your 3rd course and you haven't had to clean the pan. But when are we putting the veggies in?
We're putting the veggies in right after the garlic and ginger are cooked well, meaning they're soft and the color is brownish. Now add some oyster sauce to taste to those leafy green veggies and then stir again.
That's why it's called stir-fried, right?
So this 3-course meal cost us $5 for the prawns and maybe $1/4 for the veggies. My channel is all about saving money. And the best way to save money is eat at home.
You're right. The best way to save money is eat at home. So, what are we waiting for? Let's eat na.
Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.